This was the most unique event in my 25 years.
For most Southern Illinoisans, what happened on the afternoon of May the 8th will be remembered simply as the inland hurricane. For others, it is known as
A derecho. In fact, we've tagged it as the super derecho.
That's the name a group of weather experts gave it at a conference in Virginia. The line of storms that swept from the plains across southern Missouri seemed like ordinary bad weather. Then, a rotating comma head, just like the ones seen in radar maps of hurricanes, developed.
It became apparent that we had a major event on our hands. There was really no question about that. The atmosphere was primed to continue to sustain the line of storms.
And as that line of storms crept from Missouri to Illinois, the weather went from bad to bizarre.
Wow!
20 to 30 miles wide. Wind gusts over 100 miles an hour. Sustained winds of 70. The power of a Category 1 hurricane. At its worst, the strongest part of the storm crept towards the spot where US 51 meets Route 13.
It's just a little bit north of Murfreesboro and Carbondale. Murfreesboro being at the top end of my finger, and of course Carbondale to the right of that.
The greatest damage came in Jackson and Williamson County between 12:15 and 1:15. Chaos ruled both in southern Illinois and at the National Weather Center in Paducah.
On the day of the derecho, they had about 12 people come into the office here. Not that impressive until you realize that on most days, only about 3 people come into the office.
The entire event was so unique that 6 months later, employees both in Paducah and across the country are still investigating as to why we saw this weather. Lou Euler, Evening Edition.
Come on.